thank you, April.
Thank you so much. Thank you, April. And thanks to April for all that.
I couldn't have done this without you.
You will be very happy with April.
I couldn't be happier. April took us by the hand to be able to make that a reality. Then what I was able to do is work with our 16-year-old daughter and put those ideas, work with the editor, then we work with the illustrator, then we work with the graphic designer, then we worked with April to get the ISBN numbers, all these steps that, again, to somebody like me, a layperson who doesn't have experience, yes, a lover of books, but I didn't know how to make our daughter's dream come true. So April really helped us doing that. It very easy, very creative, but very understandable to a person who just comes in from the street saying, what do I do? Here's 40,000 words. So how do you make that come alive? And she did. And now she's on Amazon. She became Amazon bestseller in her category for science fiction. And we're so proud that she was able to make that dream thanks to April. So thank you, April.
Thank you so much. There is no way that without you and without your 12-week course that I could have ever, self-published a book, right? So my book is out there, it's in the universe, it's making an impact. And then number two, there's no way it would have looked as good as it looks now. And so I just thank you so much. I really appreciate everything that you have done.
And so I'm really excited to be launching soon. She hooked me up with a lot of different resources from an amazing illustrator, as you can see. I'm excited about the illustrations and an editor and all these different things that I didn't have to worry about going into creating the book. She already had all these resources available that I could tap into, and it really alleviated a lot of the burden of publishing or self-publishing my book. So I was able to handle everything even after I went back to work, because it's been a few months since I started the program. And I am really happy with the product and really, really grateful. I couldn't have done it without them. So thank you, April, and thank you, everyone on the team.
When she says self-publishing made simple, she means exactly that. As you enter this program, you are going to be overwhelmed. That's okay. She will hold your hand every step of the way. She is kind. She is patient. Oh, so patient. But most of all, she's knowledgeable and very, very accessible. Not just, you pay some money for a program and somebody flies away and you don't really get to see them unless it's on their time. No, she carves out time to make time for you. And that's very, very special and something that people are really taking to heart as you try to bring your creations to life.
Overall, I have to say I've been thrilled to work with April. She is pleasant as well as enthusiastic, and she has educated me about how to do ads, and she's very patient in helping others learn about the Amazon ads process. So overall, I have to say it's been excellent to work with April. And if you're having any reservations, I think I can say confidently that you will be very happy with April.
It can be so overwhelming to try to go through the self-publishing process, and she has the knowledge, experience, and details that I never would have thought of were just big pieces to me, and she helped me sort it out and put it in order and step by step through coaching sessions and through her work group sessions, and also her videos and her materials are just invaluable. I can't recommend her highly enough. If you're wanting to self-publish a book, and especially if you're a first-timer like me, I highly recommend April and all her team, people that she refers to you, and they're all top-notch. She helped me find a wonderful illustrator and make my book come to life. I couldn't be happier.
When I started working with April, I already had several books published on Amazon. And one of the things I wanted to do was to rebrand my books and kind of update some covers. And so April helped me to rebrand my books. April even helped me to set up some Facebook ads and some Amazon ads to help get some traffic to the books. So We're already seeing increased book sales because of the work that April's done. And then, even more than that, I've continued to work with April to launch a Kickstarter campaign. And so, I want to say thank you very much to April. And my experience has just been a great experience working with you. Again, I appreciate everything that you have done. I couldn't have done this without you. So thank you.
Adam published his book, I would say, a year earlier. And the book cover was poorly designed. And we were so unhappy with the way the book looked. So we searched for the right person and we met April, and she guided us through the process of having an amazing book cover, a new design for the book from the inside, and that helped our book sale tremendously, helped Adam to become like a very proud author, and he was very proud to show his book around. So thanks to April for all that.
So I just wanted to come today. My name is Valeria Mar, and I've published 2 books with the help of April. And I just want to say I'm so grateful to her, because without her help, my author journey would have never happened. I wrote the book, I've done all the stages myself, but when it comes to what to do after, I was stuck, and I found April and she helped me make it happen. And I am just forever grateful to her.